Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are good. So, in this lecture, I will be teaching you chapter number 12 Smart Charts. Okay, so before we start, let's read the key ideas for review as we always do. First one is arranging the numerical figures in systematic way is called as chart. Okay, and second one is each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Okay, so this is the two key ideas for review. What is it? First one, I'll tell you that there will be numerical figures. Okay, there will be figures or numerical figures, and it will be in a systematic way. Okay, arranged in a properly chronological order, and that is known as chart. The second one is that each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Okay, so we will see here many figures and we will observe it. There is a data inside the numerical figure, and that is the numerical figures and a data that is known as observation. Okay, so let's start the questions, children. Let's start the questions so you will understand what is a chart. So let's see question number 1. Complete the following tally table. If one a line is given, if a line is given, denote for one MLA candidate. Okay, so in this question you see here, this is just a one mark, one straight line, small line. Okay, that denotes one MLA candidate. Okay, so here you see BJP, Congress, BSP and JDU. Okay, so we see these are the parties name. Okay, so what is there? We have tally marks here, and here we have number already given, and this we are supposed to find it out. Okay, so what is they are asking is, children, they say is that this denotes one MLA, this denotes one MLA. So if you see it in the tally marks, it is like this, isn't it? The tally mark is like this. So this denotes 1 MLA, this denotes 2 MLA, this denotes 3 MLA, this denotes 4 MLA, and this denotes 5 MLA. So this means, children, 5 candidates. Okay, this represents 5 candidates. If it is like this, then it means only one candidate. If it is like this, then it means one candidate and two candidate. है ना? If it is like this, then it is 3 candidate. If it is like this, then if we have only 4 candidates. So if it is like this, we come to know how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 lines are there, so we have 5 candidates over here. Okay, children, so let's do the question and answer, find it out. Very simple chapter, children, very easy. Just need to listen, just need to read it carefully, and you can solve it. Okay, so let's count for BJP. I told you this complete box and a middle diagonal inside the box is 5. Okay, I showed you this denotes 5. How many lines are there? 5. So one box is 5 5 candidates, 5 MLA candidates. So let's see if this is 5, this will be 10, this will be 15, 20, 25, 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. ओके, यहाँ तक हमारे 75 कैंडिडेट्स हो गए जो फुल बॉक्स है. ओके, एंड नाउ वी हैव ओनली 2 लाइन्स हियर, है ना, 2 ही लाइन है. तो हाउ इट इज हियर, टिल हियर वी हैड 75 इन काउंट. So this one line is 76, this one line is 77. Okay, so total how many BJP candidates are there? 77. Okay, the same way we need to count for Congress. Okay, so I told you the complete box and a diagonal, one diagonal line inside the box is 5 candidates. So let's count again. 5, this 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Okay, till here we have full boxes and that counts 90. And how many lines are here? 1, 2 and 3. So 90 plus 3, it is 93. So 93 candidates are from Congress party. Let's count for BSP, children, the same way. This is a complete box. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, यहाँ तक 70 हो गया. And how many lines are there? 71, 72, 73 and the middle one is 74. So 74 total candidates are there in BSP. Let's see the JDU one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 2 lines 41, 42. 42 are the number of candidates in JDU. Okay, children, so we have got the numbers with the by observing the data. You understood what have you done in this chart? This is a chart and we have a data here. ये tally marks ये drawings नहीं है. This is not a drawing, this is a data. So you understood the key ideas for review, children. This is a chart, this is called as chart, and the data which is there here, it is known as observation. Okay, so we observed the chart, we observed the data. This is the chart and this is the data, and we observed it and we got the answers. Okay, so based on this question, we have other questions, children. We have other questions based on this chart. Let's solve that. Yes, here we have the questions based on that chart. The question is party which has the largest number of candidates. Okay, party which has the largest number of candidates. Let's see it. Okay, let's see. Okay, largest number of candidate is in which party? This is कांग्रेस है ना. 93 सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर है. 77 छोटा है, 74 छोटा है, 42 छोटा है, 93 is the biggest number. So the largest number of candidate is in from which party? Congress party. So we will write here Congress. Okay, the next question is party which has the least number of candidate, children. Party which has the least number of candidate. So least कौन सा है इन सब में? 42 is the least number. इन सब में 77, 74 से भी छोटा है 42. 42 is from which party? JDU. So what we will do is you will write here JDU. Okay, and next is total number of candidates for BSP and JDU are. ओके, सो मतलब बीएसपी एंड जेडीयू को मिला के टोटल कितने कैंडिडेट्स हुए? बीएसपी के कैंडिडेट्स है 74, जेडीयू के कैंडिडेट्स है 42. सो 74 प्लस 42 इज 116. So 116 is what you will write here. Simple. Okay, and next up is, children, next question number 2. Again we have a chart, data is there, and we need to find out the other data based on the data already given in the question. Okay, so following table gives the population of a town from following table gives the population of a town from 1988 to 1992. Okay, so this is the year, this is men population, this is women's population, this is children population, and this is the total population including of men, women, and children. Okay, so let's see the first one. Okay, 1988 men were this much. Okay, 65,104, 65,104. And in women, the population is 60,387. Okay, so children, we don't know, but we know the total population. Okay, so what we need to do is find out the population of children. So what we will do is we will add men and women's population and we will subtract the answer from the total population. Okay, so let's start. I'll show you in a slide. Okay, so men's population is, you can see it in your workbook, children. Men's population is 65,104. Okay, 65,104. And women population was 60,387. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add these two population. Men, ये men का था, ये women का था. Okay, this was men, this was women, and here we will get the total. Okay, 4 plus 7, you know 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 here, 10's place value above. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 6 is 12. What have we got the answer? 125,491. What I told you, the answer which we will get, we need to, the answer, just a minute, I'm not getting the color. Okay, let's try. No, again not. Just a minute. Okay, let's try now. No, again it is not showing. The color is not visible. I don't know why. Okay, let me try again. No, the highlighter is not working. Anyways, so this is the answer, children. Or while we add the population of men and women in the year 1988, and what is the total population? What happened? Pen. Okay, so so here the total population is mm, the total population is 146,947. Okay, what is the population? 146,947 means 1,46,947 minus what we will do, 1,25,491 minus करेंगे and we will get the children's population. Okay, so while minus 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, 4 will cut, 14 minus 9 is 5, and then we'll cut this will become 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 0. What have we got? 21456. You see here, what have we got? 21,456. Okay, 21,456. This is what we will write in the children's, 21,456. You see, children, men and women, we did the addition. The answer for which we got the answer which we got by adding men and women's population, will subtract the same from the total population and will get the population of children. Okay, and 1989, it is very simple. They are asking men's, they gave already men's population, women's population and children's population. They are asking about the total population. What you need to do is add men, women and children's population all together and you will get this answer, that is 1,58,577. Okay, you will get this one. And then the third one is again same, children. They gave is similar like 1988. Here they gave the population for women and children and the total. Men's population is what we need to find out. So what we will do is women's population and children's population will add it down. The answer for which we will get, will subtract the same answer from the total population. Okay, first we will add these two, women's population and children's population, will get an answer, and उस आंसर को will subtract it from 1,53,922. जो आंसर आएगा, that will be the population of men. Okay, I'm not showing that because it is very simple. I already showed you for 1988. Okay, you'll get this answer, 70,465. In 1991, children, again the same way. Men's population is given, children's population is given. You need to find out women's population. The same method for 1988, 1990 and 1991. We'll use the same method. We'll add the men's population and children's population. We will get an answer. उस आंसर को आपको माइनस करना है टोटल पॉपुलेशन से. ओके, यू विल गेट दिस आंसर 62,957. So as this table is complete, children, so we have certain questions based on this table, this chart. First question is, the number of children in 1988 is, number of children is 21,456, 21,456. You'll take this one. The total population in 1989 total population, add these three and you'll get 1,58,577. Option is there, corrected. Take it. Third is number of men in 1990 is, 1990 में number of men थे 70,465. ये टिक कर दोगे. नंबर ऑफ वुमेन इन 1991, नंबर ऑफ वुमेन कितने आए 62,957. ये आप यहाँ पे टिक कर दोगे. सिंपल. Okay, children, so this was very simple. So let's continue our question number 3. Question number 3 is, Yes, here. Okay, so question number 3 is, children, let's do question number 3. It is study the data given below and interpret. Okay, so and interpret. Already given, the data is given. Full data is given. We need not to complete the data like we did in question number 1 and 2. The data, complete data is already given. Okay, so what is the data? Mode of transport used by passengers, and this is number of passengers. Okay, so city bus is used by 1700 passengers, taxi is used by 140 passengers, auto rickshaw is used by 250 passengers, bicycle is used by 390 passengers, van is used by 220 passengers. Okay, so let's read the questions and find out the answer for which they are asking. First question is, which mode of transport is used by large number of passengers? कौन सा ऐसा ट्रांसपोर्ट है जिसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग यूज़ करते हैं? तो कौन सा ऐसा ट्रांसपोर्ट है चिल्ड्रन? यू सी दीज नंबर्स, इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर कहाँ है? 1700 इज़ द लार्जेस्ट नंबर. 1700 क्या लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? सिटी बस यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो सिटी बस इज़ द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट विच इज़ यूज बाय लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स. Let's see the question number 2, B part. Sorry, 3 is B part. Total number of passengers are. Total number of passengers means this total number of passengers, all the total number of passengers, whether they are using city bus or taxi or auto rickshaw or bicycle or van. Okay, we need to add all these numbers. Okay, 1700 plus 140. You see here, I have written with pencil. 1700 plus 140 plus 250 plus 390 and plus 220. आप इन सबको प्लस करोगे, you'll get the answer 2700. Okay, which mode, third one is, which mode of transport is less usable? सबसे कम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? You see here. ओके, दिस इज 1700, सबसे बड़ा है 250, 390, 220, ये सब 200 के 300 में है, ये 200 में है. दिस इज इन हंड्रेड्स. 140 इज यूज्ड बाय टैक्सी. तो टैक्सी इज द लीस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, इज द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज्ड बाय पैसेंजर्स लीस्ट. ओके, the D part is, children, total number of passengers who use taxi and van. ओके, तो मतलब टोटल पैसेंजर्स जो टैक्सी यूज़ करते हैं और वैन यूज़ करते हैं. तो टैक्सी यूज़ करते हैं पैसेंजर्स 140, वैन यूज़ करते हैं पैसेंजर्स 220. 140 plus 220 you will get the answer 360. Okay, children, very simple. You just need to find out, you just need to read the data given to you, observe it, read the questions and find out the answers. Okay. Let's do the question number 4. Question number 4 is, the different kinds of plants in nursery given below. Study the table and answer the given questions. Again, the complete table is given. This is the name of the plant. Sorry, this is the name of a flower. Different kinds of flowers are there, and these are the number of plants. Okay, so we have rose, we have lily, we have sunflower, and we have champa. Okay, so plant which is maximum in number in nursery is. Okay, so this plant is planted in nursery. So plant which is maximum in nursery, you see here, this is 220, this is 275. 275 is the largest number. So 275 plant is planted for the plant rose. Okay, the flower rose. Okay, so the rose is the maximum number in this table. And next up is plant which is minimum in number in the nursery. सबसे कम कौन सा plant है? We have 40. 40 क्या है? Sunflower है. So sunflower is the minimum number in the nursery. Next question is, total number of plants in the nursery means total number of plants. So we need to add all these plants. 275 plus 140 plus 40 plus 220. You'll get the answer, children. आप खुद से plus करके देख लेना what is the answer. Next question is, write the name of plants in descending order in terms of their number in nursery. Okay, so we you know what is a descending order? It is from the largest to the smallest, है ना, moving from the largest to the lowest. So the largest plant is rose. सबसे ज़्यादा rose है. Rose के बाद चंपा है ना, rose then चंपा, and then चंपा के बाद क्या है? Lily, and then sunflower. लिली, सनफ्लावर. यू सी, सबसे बड़ा क्या है? 275. 275 से छोटा 220. 220 से छोटा 140. 140 से छोटा 40. सो दैट वे रोज, चंपा, लिली, सनफ्लावर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस. यू सी, you just need to see the table. If the table is incomplete, you have been given hints. आपको solve करना है, complete करना है table, एंड देन क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप क्वेश्चंस रीड करना है एंड देन आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. यू जस्ट नीड टू ऑब्जर्व इट, है ना. नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट. Okay, so let's see question number 5, children. Maybe this will be the last question for this today's lecture. So let's see. For the question number 5 is the prime time schedule of TV for different channels watched by viewers in a city is as follows. Okay, this is different channels watched by viewers. Okay, we watch TV, right? We all watch TV, and some prefer some channels. Like everyone prefer different channels. Like some might prefer Star Plus, some might prefer Sony, some might prefer Color, some Z or some Sahara one. Okay, so this is the channel name. Okay, we know all these channels exist in our TV, है ना. So all these are channels and this is the number of viewers. Okay, so 1080 is viewed for 1080 viewers view Star Plus, and 702 viewers view Sony channel, and 2430 viewers view Colors, 840 viewers view Z channel, 444 viewers watch Sahara one. Okay, so this is again a complete table. Observe करना है, question read करना है, answer आपको table से मिल जाएगा. Okay, so first question is children, channel watched by a large viewers is, सबसे ज़्यादा channel लोग कौन सा channel देखते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे ज़्यादा लोग कौन सा channel prefer करते हैं. ओके, सो आपको देखना है सबसे ज़्यादा है. दिस इज़ इन 1000, दीज आर इन हंड्रेड्स, दिस इज़ इन 2000, है ना. 2430 ये सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर है इस टेबल का. ये कौन से चैनल के लिए है? कलर्स के लिए. सो कलर्स इज द चैनल विच इज़ वॉच बाय अ लार्ज व्यूअर्स. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टेबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चैनल वॉच्ड लीस्ट बाय व्यूअर्स इज, सबसे कम चैनल लोग क्या देखते हैं. It is, let's see, this is in 800, 700, this is in 400. 400 सबसे ज़्यादा कम है. 444. 444 is the channel Sahara 1. So Sahara 1 is the channel watched by least number of viewers. Okay, so C is two most popular channels are. Two most popular channel means which is most viewed by people. ठीक है, ऐसा कौन सा चैनल है? ऑब्वियसली जो मैक्सिमम नंबर of viewers which who watch a particular channel is of colors. Color सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर है. 2430 लोग देखते हैं इस टेबल में, ये सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज कलर्स. कलर्स के बाद कौन सा पॉपुलर है चिल्ड्रन? यू सी 1080 व्यूअर्स व्यू स्टार प्लस. ठीक है, ये दोनों सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर्स में है. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स according to this table. So colors and Star Plus. Next is D. D is total number of viewers for most popular channels are. Okay, so most popular channel, the C and D is okay. So you have to read the question very carefully. They are not asking the total number of viewers in the channels. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा पूछा होता the total number of viewers for the whole channels are, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता? 1080 plus 702 plus 2430 plus 840 plus 144. इन सब को आपको प्लस करना पड़ता. ओके, बट दे आर आस्किंग टोटल नंबर ऑफ व्यूअर्स फॉर मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स. ओके, सी में देखो, मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स वाज व्हाट? कलर्स एंड स्टार प्लस. मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स जो सबसे ज़्यादा लोग देखते हैं वो था कलर्स एक, और दूसरा था स्टार प्लस. दे आर आस्किंग कि कितने लोग हैं जो मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स देखते हैं. तो मतलब कलर्स 2430, स्टार प्लस 1080, इन दोनों को आपको प्लस करना है. आपको पता चल जाएगा द व्यूअर्स हु वॉच मोस्ट पॉपुलर चैनल्स आर हाउ मच. Okay, so 2430 plus 1080 is, you will get the answer. Okay children, the last question is the correct ascending order of channels in terms of viewers is. The correct ascending order of channels in terms of viewers is. Okay, in the previous question we did descending order. Ascending order is what children? From lowest number to the largest number. We need to move from the lowest number and you have to move towards the largest number. Okay, so the lowest number here is children Sahara 1. 444 is the lowest, so Sahara 1 सबसे पहले आएगा. 444 के बाद है सोनी 702. 702 is सोनी, so सोनी next. 702 के बाद है 840 Z. You'll write here Z. 840 से बड़ा है 1080. 1080 is of Star Plus. You'll write here Star Plus. And in the end, the topmost is 2430, which is watched which is for the channel colors. You will write here colors. Okay, children. Okay, so this was it. You just need to read the table and then you just need to find out the questions, which is all the answers are already in the table, in the data. Okay, so we in this chapter we had only 10 questions, children. Okay, so we had only 10 questions, 5 we already finished. And for addition part and for the data completion part, I gave you homework. Okay, this one, this addition and this subtraction data, I have given you homework, and all the addition which was there in the all the addition which was there, that also I have given you homework. Okay, so like this addition, this one and this one, so that you have to solve it, add it by yourself. And question number 6. Okay, next week I'll be teaching you from question number 6, but 6 is homework also. Okay, so you try question number 6. It is again the same one. Table is completely given to you. See, complete table is given to you. You need to read the question and find out the answer. Okay, it is a very simple question. Question number 6 is your homework for today, and rest questions we will be finishing in our next lecture. Okay, and we are, after this we are only left with 2 chapters, that is 13 and 14. Only 2 chapters are remaining. Okay, so practice the previous questions also, children. जो पुराने chapters में आपको questions मैंने पढ़ाए हैं, if you are facing any difficulty, watch the video again, pause it, watch it, practice it at your home, and then if you have any difficulty you can ask me anytime. Okay, but you need to practice mathematics to be efficient in mathematics. Okay, and it is very simple. The 5th standard maths is very simple, so don't be scared of maths. Watch the videos, pause the videos, see, you nobody's watching you how many times you're watching the video or not. So if you're not understanding the video, you can watch it many a times. Okay, there's nobody who's watching you if you're not able to understand in a 1 or 2 go. So you can watch it, you can understand it, and again if you face any difficulty you can ask me. Okay, so that's all for today, children. See you in next lecture. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.